How's it, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to list the mods that I've done to this 2008 Mercedes-Benz C300. So in the front we have a carbon front lip splitter, carbon canards, carbon eyelids wrapped with 3M vinyl wrap, yellow fog lights, clear side markers, and a gloss black front grille. Now in the back we have a carbon rear spoiler, carbon rear side bumper splitters, carbon big fin rear diffuser, carbon emblem inserts, quad tips, and I wrapped the middle license plate area with 3M vinyl wrap. And for the wheels, we have some 18-inch Nichi Misano M117s, AMG yellow caliper covers, AMG matte black 507 side stripes, carbon winglet side skirt splitters, door visors, carbon side mirror covers, and carbon door bowl covers. So for the interior, there isn't much things I've done to it besides the LED interior lights and the DMP welcome door lights. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.